The one-touch cleaning kit both cleans the ash from the bottom of your barbecue and allows you to control the airflow through the grill. The kit consists of 3 wings, a handle, and the fittings needed to install it. Over time, the components can corrode and eventually break. The wings can be damaged if they become stuck and are then forced open. Installing a new one-touch cleaning kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the lid, grill grates, and ash pan from the barbecue. Next, I'll remove the old handle from the grill. I'll insert a screwdriver between the handle and the fitting. I'll twist the screwdriver to release the handle, then rotate it, and then I can remove it. And now I can remove the old fins from the kettle. Now we can begin assembling the new kit. You'll notice that each of the fins are numbered 1, 2, and 3. I'll start with fin number 1. First, I need to insert the H fitting into the fin. You'll notice that the hole on either side of the fitting is different. One side is shaped like a keyhole. There's also a small hole in the top of the H fitting. The fitting goes through the top of fin number 1. And I need to align the hole in the fin with the hole in the H fitting. Next, I install fin number 2, and fin number 3 is last. And now this assembly is ready to go back into the barbecue. I need to properly align the fins as I install them back into the kettle. Fin number 1 should point away from the handle. Now I'll press down on the fins inside the kettle so that the H fitting protrudes through the bottom of the grill. I've tipped the grill on its side. I'm holding the fins at the proper position with the number 1 fin pointing away from the handle, and now I can insert the washer onto the H fitting. Now I align the tab on the handle with the keyhole side of the H fitting and insert it. Once the tab is between the 2 legs of the H fitting, I rotate the handle until it clicks and locks in place. And I'll finish up by reassembling the grill. And that's all it takes to install a new one-touch cleaning kit on your barbecue. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.